If you get accused of a crime, if you get arrested for something, do you automatically need a lawyer? Do you hire a lawyer? Do you get a lawyer from, if you can't afford, how does that all work? Explain
There's a lot
it.
of questions there, Whitney.
Yes.
I think the first and most obvious answer is, if you think you need a lawyer, you need a lawyer.
Okay, that makes sense.
You should always err on the side of consulting with someone who knows what they're doing, law, business, anything. As far as hiring a lawyer or having the right to an attorney, you don't always have a right to an attorney. That is, if you're under suspicion, you may not necessarily have the right to an attorney. Now, you have the right to an attorney if you're being interrogated by the police. You have the right to an attorney at a court appearance, or if you're charged with an offense. I would tell people that if you are in a situation where what you are saying or doing could be used against you, you need a lawyer. You need someone who knows the system, who knows how to think through the future impact of what they're doing right now, what you're saying right now, how the answers to the questions that are being put to you in this moment could affect you in 6 months, in 7 months, in 8 months. You need someone to advise you about that right away.
Makes sense.
It does. You know, when a lot of times when people, you know, they're going through a certain circumstance or an issue, and they're just caught up and they're focused on that one thing, they forget that there are so many other things going on around them that are just as important, and those can lead to more trouble if they don't consult a lawyer. Right, Josh?
I agree with that. And you have to remember that criminal convictions can have far-ranging consequences. We live in a world where records are easily accessed by a prospective employer, a prospective landlord, a prospective spouse. Someone could Google you, and people. We're in a world where it's very easy to find out if someone has a criminal history, and so you need to protect that.